And today I'm gonna show you how to swap your tube in your Rode K2 microphone. And we start right now.
Pentalosa.com.
This is a 4 parts video because I swapped 4 tubes on my Rode K2 and I did a very extensive test with all of them. So do you have to watch all 4 videos on this series? No, you don't. You only need to watch one. But if you happen to be swapping that particular tube, then now you have one video specifically for that tube. So feel free to watch all 4 or just one. Do you really need to use gloves? Well, not necessarily, but I will recommend you to use them because the oil on your fingers can get on the glass of the tube, and when the tube warms up, that could shorten the life of the tube, and so it's just not worth it. So if you have a pair of gloves, just use them. On the first one, I'm going to show you how to swap the stock tube, which is an Electro-Harmonix made in Russia, with an Amperex PQ made in the USA. So now let me show you how to do it. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this microphone donut right here. So here's the golden dot, so you want to flip it around. And I'm going to remove that microphone donut. There you go. So now, unscrew the main body. So that's the microphone's motherboard right there. So now we need to remove this plastic retainer here, and there's only 2 screws. Okay. So gotta be careful because this is glass, of course, and you don't want to break it with your screwdriver. You want to unscrew them all the way out because we're gonna need to squeeze that retainer a little bit to get that tip out of it. Okay, so I'm gonna squeeze it a little bit. There you go. Alright, so now I'm gonna grab the tip of the tube and I'm gonna do some circular motion, and very gently I'm gonna remove them a little bit. Just very gently. Circular motion up and down a little bit, very gently. Okay, and there you go. So now we have 10 pins here, and the next one we're going to need to align it with those sockets right there. Okay. Okay. I'm going to use this tube right here. It's an Amperex from the USA, made in the USA. So it's a 6922, and same thing. You want to align those 10 pins on those 10 sockets, and always from the tip. Okay, so now very gently I want to push There you go. Okay, so now we need to get back this plastic retainer again. Okay. Squeeze this so we can fit that tip. There you go. So now, need to get those screws back on. That's it. So now we need to screw the main body. Yeah. That should do it. Alright. And this is how you change a tube on your Rode K2. See you. Hey, thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. If you want notifications, hit that bell, and if you have any questions, please leave them on the comments below and I will do my best to answer them. And until next time, again, thank you very much for watching. See ya. One, two.